Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, we are going to be looking at financial mathematics and in particular, simple interest. When you take out a loan to borrow money, it is often simple interest. This means that a simple fixed percentage of what you borrow is calculated when you take out the loan and you pay that amount of interest each year. With simple interest, the amount of interest you pay does not change depending on how much you still owe. Simple interest may also be applied to investments. So we are going to use the formula I is equal to P times R times T all over 100, where P is the amount of money invested or borrowed, R is the interest rate, and T is the amount of time in years. I'm going to do 3 examples. Number 1, calculate the simple interest on $1,200 for 3 years at 6% per year. The formula again is I is equal to PRT all over 100, which is equal to, our P is 1,200 multiplied by the rate, which is 6, multiplied by the time in years, which was 3. And this is all over 100. And multiplying this, we get 21,600 all over 100. And we are going to cancel out these zeros as we are dividing this 0 and that 0. And we have the final answer as $216. This is the interest for the 3 years. Number 2, Tom takes out a loan of $8,000 for 5 years at a rate of 4% simple interest. How much interest will he pay in total? Again, the formula is I is equal to PRT all over 100. The amount of money that he borrowed was 8,000 times the rate, which was 4%, times the amount of time in years, which was 5, all over 100. And if we multiply this, we get 160,000. And we are going to divide this by 100, cancelling out the zeros, this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0. We are left with 1,600 as the final answer. This is the amount of interest that you will pay in total. Number 3, Petra invests $10,800. After 4 years, she has earned $3,240 interest. At what annual rate of interest did she invest her money? What you're going to do is to make the rate the subject of the formula. So remember, if I is equal to PRT all over 100, and we want to remain with R, so we're going to take 100 to the other side, and then we have 100I. 100I is equal to PRT, and we want to remain with R, so we're going to divide both sides by PT. Divide this side by PT, and we are left with R is equal to 100I all over PT. Now substituting the values into this formula, we have the rate is equal to 100 multiplying the interest, which was 3,240 all over the P, which was 10,800, times the time, which was 4. Multiplying the numerators together, we get 324,000 over 43,200. Now dividing the 7.5%. This was the rate that she used to invest her money. So that is it, guys. This is how you calculate the interest using the formula. You simply play around with the formula, because sometimes you can be asked to find the time in years. Other times you can be asked to find the amount of money that was invested. So you just play along with the formula. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.